Hey guys, it's Dr. Martin Smith here. Spring has sprung and allergy season is upon us. Here are the 6 best over-the-counter allergy medications you can use to protect yourself from the pollen.
Number 1, we have our MVP. These are the intranasal steroids such as Flonase, Nasacort, and Rhinocort. If you're going to use any allergy medication, this should be it because it is the only medication that decreases nasal congestion or that stuffiness you feel in allergy season. Many people incorrectly assume that this is an as-needed medication when you can just use when you're feeling crappy, but you actually have to use it for about 10 days to 2 weeks for maximal effect. So if your allergies start up in March or April, you should be starting this medication 2 weeks prior to that. Over here we have a 5-pack of the generic ingredient fluticasone, the same that is in Flonase, which is a lot cheaper than the brand name. At number 2, we have our second generation oral antihistamines like Allegra, Claritin, Zyrtec, and Zyrtec. They're called second generation as they are non-sedating, though about 10% of people can have some sedation with Zyrtec. They help with sneezing, itching, and a runny nose. You can get generic versions of Zyrtec, Allegra, and Claritin for cheap, though there is no generic for Zyrtec yet. At number 3, we have allergy eye drops. If you have red, itchy, or watery eyes, look for Ketotifen or Zatador. Another great option is olapatadine or Pataday. A bonus tip is to keep it in the fridge and it has a great cooling effect. At number 4, we have another nasal spray, and this is an antihistamine nasal spray called Astapro. Last year, this became available over the counter. It used to be prescription only. This is a great as-needed option if your allergies are out of control and you need some additional help. This one kind of tastes bad, and some people say it tastes like a mouthful of pennies, though the relief it offers may be worth it. At number 5, we have a nasal saline rinse. This is simple, cheap, and powerful. It washes the pollen and gunk out of your nose and actually helps your other medications work better. You must use distilled water or previously boiled water unless you like brain-eating infections. And at number 6, we have nasal strips like Breathe Right. And no, they are not just for snorers. They can actually physically pull your nostrils open. So if you're really congested at night when you're trying to sleep, they can help you breathe easier. They're also non-medicated, have 0 side effects except for you looking a little dorky while you sleep. If you have really bad allergies, this is what I recommend. Start the day with a saline rinse, and after you've waited a couple of minutes, like 20 minutes, use your intranasal steroid. Then pop an oral antihistamine such as Zyrtec and use your eye drops. If you're congested at night, use the nasal strips. And if after that you still have symptoms, use the azolastine spray or Astapro spray as needed.